Hello, I'm Dhanyaa Varma, a Reiki master healer and past life regression therapist. I was first initiated into the Usui system of Reiki and I completed all the levels, including mastership, by 2012. Later, I got the opportunity to be initiated into the Holy Fire system of Reiki in 2020, where I also completed the mastership. I am a postgraduate in statistics and I have been working as a school teacher since 2005. I have taught in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Indore, as well as Hyderabad. By the grace of my gurus, when I experienced the miraculous effect of a PLR session and how therapeutic it was for me, I took up this opportunity to train with Mr. Gopal Maheshwari to become a therapist myself. I am currently based in Hyderabad and I am conversant in English, Hindi, and Malayalam. Through my experience as a therapist during the online PLR sessions, I realized the healing effect of these sessions for the client and how they were able to clear the blocks that were affecting their life adversely. I saw how they got a clear picture about the cause of their issue and the relief of releasing the trauma. I look forward to meeting all of you, to connecting with you, and helping you in your process of healing. Thank you.